Hi, Lucas. It's so nice to see you again. We're excited to spend some time practicing English with you.
Hey, Emma. Great to see all of you. I thought we could spend the weekend together doing normal activities, so you can practice everyday expressions naturally.
That sounds perfect. I want to improve my conversation skills in real situations, not just practice sentences at home.
Me too. I think doing things like going to a restaurant or supermarket will make learning practical and fun.
Exactly. We'll practice greetings, ordering, asking questions, expressing opinions, and reacting naturally, all in context.
I like that. Real-life practice will make it easier to remember expressions and speak more confidently.
Plus, hanging out together feels less stressful than sitting in a classroom.
I also want to focus on casual phrases like, what do you want to eat? Or, I love this place.
Perfect. We can start by planning what to do today and tomorrow. How about lunch first, then a walk in the park?
Sounds great. Where shall we go for lunch?
I heard there's a new Italian restaurant nearby. It could be fun to practice ordering food in English.
Yes, and we can also talk about our preferences. I'd like pasta, but not too spicy. Or, do you have vegetarian options?
Good thinking. I'll help you use natural expressions while ordering, asking questions, and responding politely.
Awesome. I feel excited already. Spending the day like this will be great practice.
Let's finish our coffee quickly and head to the restaurant. I'm ready to start speaking more naturally.
Before lunch, let's walk around a bit. Walking helps you practice casual conversation naturally.
Great. What do we talk about while walking?
Maybe we can discuss our plans. What do you usually do on weekends?
Or hobbies. I like reading and going to the park. What about you?
Exactly. Also, we'll practice expressions for opinions. I really enjoy Italian food because it's flavorful and fresh.
I love coffee shops in the city. They're cozy and good for studying.
I prefer visiting cinemas on weekends. Watching new movies is relaxing.
I enjoy walking in the park early in the morning because it's quiet and peaceful.
Perfect. Let's also practice casual responses. Really? That sounds fun. Or, I didn't know that, tell me more.
Really? I didn't know that. How often do you go there?
I usually go once a week. What about you?
I go sometimes on weekends if I'm free. It's my way to relax.
Great. Using these expressions naturally while walking helps you get comfortable speaking.
I feel my sentences are flowing better when I speak aloud like this.
And I notice I'm using polite phrases and casual expressions naturally, without thinking too much.
All right, let's start by practicing how to order naturally. Remember to use polite phrases and full sentences.
Hi, I'd like a margarita pizza, please. And could I get a glass of water?
I'll have spaghetti carbonara, please. And a cup of coffee if that's okay.
Could I get a vegetarian lasagna, please? And a lemonade.
Excellent. Notice how you're adding please and sometimes could I to sound polite and natural.
Also, could we get extra napkins, please? I want to practice adding small requests.
I'd like my pasta a little less spicy, please. This helps with expressing preferences.
Could you recommend a dessert? I'd love something sweet, but light.
Perfect. When the waiter responds, try using casual acknowledgments. Thank you, or that sounds great.
Thank you. That's very helpful.
Sounds great. I'll have that too.
I appreciate your recommendation. I'll try it.
Great. Using these small phrases makes your speech sound fluent and friendly.
I can see how these simple sentences make ordering in English easy and polite.
And I feel more confident because we're practicing in a real restaurant setting.
While we wait, let's practice casual conversation. You can ask questions, share opinions, or react naturally.
So, Lucas, do you often eat at Italian restaurants?
Yes, I enjoy trying different types of pasta. How about you all?
I love Italian food. Pizza and pasta are my favorites. What's your favorite dish here?
I usually enjoy lasagna, but I also like salads with fresh ingredients.
Really? I didn't know you liked lasagna. I usually go for pizza because it's simple and quick.
I totally agree. Pizza is perfect for a casual meal with friends.
Exactly. And when you're in a group, it's fun to share different dishes and try a bit of everything.
That's true. I like tasting different dishes when we go out together. It makes the meal more social.
Also, what do you usually drink with pasta? Water, soda, or wine?
I usually take soda, but sometimes water. Wine is only for special occasions.
Yes, water or a soft drink is common for casual meals. Wine is optional, depending on the setting.
I feel like using casual phrases like, I usually, or sometimes, makes my sentences sound natural and fluent.
Exactly. It also helps me practice linking ideas. I usually go for pizza because it's quick, but sometimes I try pasta.
I feel my confidence improving. Speaking naturally while sharing opinions is much easier than I imagined.
Hi, could I get 3 tickets for the 7 p.m. showing of the new comedy, please?
And could we have seats near the middle row if possible? Thank you.
I'm excited. I've heard this movie is really funny. What do you all think?
Yes, it's a great choice. Comedies are perfect for relaxing and practicing casual conversation while chatting about the plot later.
I usually enjoy comedy movies because they're light and entertaining. How about you?
I like action movies too, but a comedy tonight sounds perfect. I'm ready to laugh.
I love both genres, but sometimes a good laugh is exactly what I need after a busy week.
Exactly. And while we wait for the movie, we can practice casual phrases like, I can't wait to see this scene, or I hope the ending is funny.
I can try. I can't wait to see the scene where the main character meets his neighbor. It looks hilarious.
And I'll say, I hope the ending is funny. I need a good laugh tonight.
I'll add, I heard the dialogues are really clever and witty. That makes comedies even more enjoyable.
Perfect. Using natural expressions like these helps you talk about movies casually and fluently.
It's fun to practice speaking while waiting, not just after the movie.
And I notice that adding my opinions makes the conversation more lively. I usually enjoy witty lines because they make the movie memorable.
Exactly. Casual expressions are perfect for small talk and sharing experiences naturally.
Now that we're seated, we can practice expressing reactions naturally. Wow, that scene was hilarious.
Oh my gosh, I didn't expect that twist. It's so funny and clever.
Haha, that was brilliant. The timing of the jokes is perfect.
I really like how the characters interact. Their dialogue feels so natural.
I noticed the music makes the scene even funnier. It really adds to the comedy.
Yes, and the way the actor delivers the line makes it so believable, I laughed out loud.
I think I'm going to remember some of these expressions and use them when talking about movies later.
Exactly. Commenting naturally on movies helps you practice everyday English expressions. I really liked. It was so funny. The scene was clever.
I'll try. I really liked the scene in the kitchen because it was unexpected and hilarious.
And I'll say, the ending was clever. I didn't see it coming at all.
I really enjoyed the jokes about daily life. It's fun to comment on them naturally.
Perfect. After the movie, we'll discuss it more to practice summarizing and giving opinions using natural expressions.
Easily when I talk about something I just experienced.
And using casual reactions like wow or haha makes my speech sound fluent and lively.
Practicing expressions while enjoying the movie helps make English feel natural, not forced.
I love this park. It's so peaceful and green, perfect for practicing English casually while walking.
Yes, and the fresh air makes conversation feel relaxed. We can practice talking about hobbies, plans, and opinions naturally.
For example, I can say, I usually come here on weekends to read or take photos. What about you?
Exactly. And when someone responds, you can ask follow-up questions. Really? How long have you been coming here?
I can also practice expressing my feelings. I really enjoy this area because it's quiet and beautiful.
And sharing opinions casually. I think the lake area is my favorite spot because it's relaxing.
I like practicing short natural expressions too. Wow, look at those ducks. Aren't they cute?
Perfect. Using reactions like wow or really makes conversations lively and natural.
I can comment on what I see. The flowers are amazing today. I love their colors.
I'll try. I usually jog here in the morning. It helps me feel energetic for the day.
And I can say, I enjoy coming here with friends because we can talk and relax at the same time.
Excellent. Practicing expressions about everyday experiences is a great way to improve fluency.
I feel more confident speaking naturally about what I see and do.
And I notice I can use longer sentences with opinions without thinking too much.
Perfect. Casual conversation in the park is a safe and fun way to practice everyday English expressions.
While watching, try to express your reactions naturally. For example, wow, that scene was hilarious, or I didn't expect that.
Wow, that scene with the dog running across the street is so funny. I didn't see that coming.
Ha! The timing of the jokes is perfect. I love how the characters' reactions are realistic too.
I really like the dialogues. They're witty and easy to follow, which helps me practice listening and speaking naturally.
I can comment casually. The actor delivered that line so well, it made the scene hilarious.
And I can share opinions. I think this comedy is better than the one we watched last month.
I'll add, I liked the ending. It was clever and unexpected.
Perfect. Using expressions like, I think, I liked, and I didn't expect helps you speak naturally about experiences.
I can also ask casual questions. What did you think about the main character? Or, which scene was your favorite?
My favorite scene was the one with the misunderstanding at the cafe. It was so funny.
I liked the park scene. It reminded me of our afternoon walk, funny and relatable.
Exactly. Commenting, asking questions, and sharing opinions while reacting helps you sound fluent and engaged.
I notice I'm using expressions naturally now. I think I really enjoyed. That was hilarious.
And my sentences feel longer and more complete without pausing or translating from my native language.
Perfect. Practicing in real situations like the park and cinema makes English feel natural, not forced.